凌晨1點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東北烈風或暴風信號喺凌晨12點40分發出，預料本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺凌晨1點，颱風泰利集結喺香港以南約280公里，即係北緯19.8度、東經113.9度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約18公里，大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶，並持續增強。受泰利影響，本港普遍吹強風，離岸海域及高地吹烈風。按照現時預測路徑，泰利會喺未來數小時最接近香港，喺本港以南300公里內掠過。本地風力會進一步增強，南部風勢較大。預料烈風會持續一段時間，8號烈風或暴風信號至少維持至早上7點。隨後8號信號會否維持，將取決於本地風力嘅變化，以及泰利雨帶嘅相關陣風會否持續影響本港。市民早上請留意最新嘅天氣消息。受泰利帶嚟嘅風暴潮及天文大潮嘅共同影響，沿岸低洼地區早上可能出現淹浸，市民請盡早完成防風、防水浸嘅措施。海有大至非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、大老山及橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時69、67及65公里。最高陣風分別超過每小時93、91及72公里。8號烈風或暴風信號防風措施報告，請盡快完成家中各項防風措施，將門窗鎖緊，若有橫閂應加上，將膠紙條貼喺當風嘅大玻璃窗上，萬一玻璃破裂，亦可以減少損傷。請盡快完成清除渠道嘅落葉及垃圾。切勿喺屋內當風嘅窗戶附近站立，預早選定屋內一個安全地方，以防玻璃萬一破裂時可以躲避。香港國際機場嘅航班可能受到天氣影響，旅客前往機場前，請先向航空公司查詢航班情況。光管招牌嘅物主，請截斷招牌嘅電源。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
1 o'clock in the early morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal was issued at 12:40 midnight. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At 1 a.m., Typhoon Ta Lim was centered about 280 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 19.8 degrees north, 113.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula and Hainan Island, and continue to intensify. Under the influence of Ta Lim, strong winds prevail over Hong Kong, with gales over offshore waters and on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Ta Lim will be closest to Hong Kong in the next several hours, skirting within 300 kilometers south of Hong Kong. Local winds are expected to strengthen further. Winds will be stronger over the southern part of the territory, and the gales will persist for a period of time. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force before 7 in the morning. Whether the signal number 8 will remain in force thereafter will depend on the changes in local wind strength and how persistent the gusts associated with the rain bands of Ta Lim will affect Hong Kong. The public should take note of the latest weather information this morning. Under the combined effect of the storm surge brought by Ta Lim and the spring tide, there may be flooding in coastal low-lying areas in the morning. Members of the public should complete precautionary measures against high winds and flooding as soon as possible. Seas are rough to very rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded in Gongping, Tate's Cairn and Waglan Island were 69, 67 and 65 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 93, 91 and 72 kilometers per hour respectively. For the precautionary announcements with number 8 signal, complete all precautions in your home. Lock all windows and doors, insert reinforced shutters and gates if they are available. Adhesive tape fixed to large window panes in exposed positions will reduce damage and injury by broken glass. Drains should be cleared of leaves and rubbish as soon as possible. Do not stand near windows on the exposed side of your home. Make sure you have a safe place to shelter should windows be broken. Flights at Hong Kong International Airport may be affected by the weather. Please contact your airline for the latest flight information before departing for the airport. Owners of neon signs should switch off the electricity supply to the signs. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。